Where, oh where is the air conditioner? You can see the controller right there. And the return air down there. So we're going to guess it's in this door. Nope, that's where the vacuum cleaner goes. How about that door? And that's where the air conditioner is. The air handler, the compressor, the cooler, the fan, the blower, everything. So it's in here, inside this bright lit box with a lot of sunlight, and it looks like an 8-inch vent hose overhead. So I bet that's fun to work on. I guess there's a hole up there that you have to go in the engine room to reach your hands in to work on that over there. Oh well.